So we found two big morels yesterday. Go watch my other video where we found a bunch that we haven't picked yet. It'll be posted. But today we're gonna go ahead and pick a couple because 2 or 3 are big enough to pick, and we already have a few at the house, so that will be enough to cook up. So stay tuned, and we're gonna go pick these ones. Alright, so here's the first one right here. Should we pick it or should we wait?
Pick it.
Right here. Here. So there's the first one, and then there's 2 little guys right there, and there's another big one right over here. So try not to step on it. There's 2 little ones, and then here is an even bigger one right here. Right there. So there's the 2 that we're picking, and we're gonna look right in here for another minute and see if there's any more. Alright, so we just picked this other one that's just barely big enough to be picked. Right off here you can see it stemmed, and then there's one and there's one right there. We got a couple more little ones over here that are about half this size that we're gonna let grow up still, but we're gonna look for a couple more big ones up over there at another spot that we found some last year. So stay tuned and we'll see if we can get some bigger ones. Alright, so we just found those ones over here across this creek where we picked 2 right over there, and somehow we saw one right there in the middle of all this tall weeds and stuff. So I'm gonna try and get to him without stepping on any other ones. I haven't seen the other ones yet, so let's get down. There's some thorns in the way. Alright, so there's another one right there. So we're doing good. We found a few, so we'll have at least enough to add to our other ones. Alright, so I was just standing where my dad's at, and I spotted this little guy right here, but I saw next to it there was a bigger one, so we'll pick him. So there's another nice one right there. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, all right here. We're just right over there on the other side of the 4-wheelers, and we saw this big tree right over here when we were like, this is the same type of tree we found the other big ones over there. I get about 5 feet away and I just see them all right here. So we're definitely picking a couple of these ones right in here because they're big. But I can't believe there's a big cluster of them right here. So we're definitely going to look a little bit harder back in this because there could be more. Dang, that's a lot. I won't step on any. Alright, so we just found another one, which makes it 10 or 11. We didn't even see them right there. We spotted 2 more, one right there and one right there that are tiny. That's like 15. And there's another one over there, which is 16 under one tree. This is by far the best. We have to remember that tree right there. So this is by far the best little spot we found so far. So we're for sure going to look harder into this and see if we can find any bigger ones. So, alright, so the big cluster was right there by that big tree. We walked literally like 6 feet. I saw that one. My dad saw that one right there. And then he's like, look, there's another one over there. And then there's a big one to the right. So we're going to pick the big one to the right, and we're going to get out. So we're not wasting any. We're going to eat these up tonight. And the reason we're getting out is because my mom wants to come and help find some too. So stay tuned for the cooking portion. Alright, so we've been letting them soak in salt water for a couple hours now. And so what we're going to do is we've cut them in half, let them soak, and then we're going to put them on these paper towels to dry. And then we got some flour, and then why am I struggling? Butter. And then we're just going to fry them up, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So take these guys and put them on paper towel so they'll dry. All I gotta do is lightly coat them in the flour and then put them straight into the butter. We're not doing all of them. We still got some in the bowl right there, but probably about half. We mainly picked out the biggest ones. So we just got done cooking them, and here they are. So now I guess we'll just have to try them. Very good. It was actually probably better than the last time. Honestly, it was very good. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned to my next video. If you're watching this and you stayed this far through the video, please subscribe if you haven't and share the video. Thanks.